Hello friends, I am a bee, a honeybee. Don't be scared. I'm not about to sting you. We attack only when provoked or when we need to protect ourselves. Come with me, I'll show you my world. I love this garden, especially when the flowers are in bloom. I come here every day with my other bee friends to collect nectar. When I find nectar in a flower, I will do a little dance. Then my friends will know that I have found honey and will join me. Can you see this long tube-like tongue? It acts like a straw. I can suck the nectar out of the flower with it. I then store it in my stomach and carry it to the beehive. But I am not selfish. The flowers also benefit from me. While I'm sucking nectar from a flower, some of the pollens get stuck to the hair on my body. When I sit on another flower, they get transferred to the flower. This way, the flowers get pollinated. Just like you humans are social animals, we are also social insects. We can only survive as a part of the community or a colony. We live in groups called swarms. In each group, there is one queen bee, some male bees called drones, and thousands of worker bees. We bees have our work distributed very clearly. The queen bee lays about 2000 eggs per day. The queen lives for 3 to 5 years. Before dying, she selects another bee to take her place. Drone bees are male bees. They mate with the queen bee, but they die soon after mating. And lastly, the worker bees, like me. We do majority of work. We collect honey from the flowers, store it and guard it. We also build our homes called beehive. We all are females, but we can't have babies. We are infertile. Thus, you see, we divide our work so well. Hi friends, see, this is my home. We live here. You all call it a honeycomb. We make a honeycomb in the tree holes or in the branches of trees. You see, these sacs on my abdomen, these are wax secreting sacs. We secrete wax and build our honeycomb. Each cell in our honeycomb is hexagonal in shape, means it has 6 sides. We store honey in these cells. See how much this boy enjoys his food with honey. Honey is our food too. Come with me. I will show you how we make this honey. We visit the flowers during the flowering season. If we find a flower with nectar, we circle around the flower and start dancing. This is a signal for our other bee friends. They catch this signal and gather around the same flower. Then we suck the nectar from the flower and store it in our special honey belly. Then we go back to our honeycomb. There we find an empty cell and fill it with nectar. Once filled, we seal it with the wax and fill the other cell. After some days, this nectar turns into honey. This honey is purified by you humans and sold in the bottles. Kids, I am a very good friend of yours. You get so many things from me. Honey that you eat has a lot of nutrients and is a good medicine also. Bee wax is used in making cosmetics, candles and polish. Bee sting collected using special instruments is used as a medicine for disease called rheumatism. We also help to bring about pollination in flowers.
Let us summarize what we've learned in this learning unit.